Hello everyone, this is another week. This is another travel vlog with me, Noah. Usually pumupunta talaga kami sa Hong Kong kasi gusto namin bilhin yung iPhone Pro Max. But you'll also see na I just bought the iPhone Air, but that's for another vlog. Please check it out. Dito muna kami kumakain sa baba. You should expect pag kumain kayo dito sa baba na medyo mas mahal yung mga foods. Pero anyway, ayun, masarap naman yung pagkain. One thing that we noticed is hindi pa rin ayos yung lounge for RCBC credit cards. Ayan, so ang daming tao today. Hindi kami sure kung bakit. By the way, this is the end of September to October. I think this is October pala when we're traveling. And ang daming papunta ng Dubai. Pero madami din papunta ng Hong Kong as you can see. And now we're boarding our plane with Cebu Pack going to Hong Kong. Ayan, we're heading to our plane. Pero ayan, we're so excited. I gave Monique the window seat kasi ayoko talaga ng window seat.
With a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of...
See you in a bit, Hong Kong! Want to share with you guys, during this trip kasi may dalawang bagyo na dumaan sa Pilipinas. So ang nangyari, yung tail ng bagyo, kahit tinan nyo sobrang ganda ng araw dito sa Pilipinas, sa gitna ng Philippines at saka ng Hong Kong, sobrang thick ng clouds. So ang nangyari, first time ni Monique ma-experience yung sobrang turbulent na plane ride. As in, para talaga kaming, yung pagkain ko muntik ng mahulog. Kasi mahilig din kasi ako kumain during in-flight. Yung mga cheap foods, para lang ma-distract ako sa oras. And ayan, we're finally arriving in Hong Kong. As you can see, nakikita na namin yung mga Hong Kong islands. And we're arriving in Hong Kong. We're so excited to land. Once we land, I'm gonna give you some tips on what to do first when you arrive Hong Kong.
Manatili nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kumuha naman ng kagamitan. Nais nyo na?
So when you arrive at the Hong Kong International Airport, you will notice na ang immigration, you would have to ride a train. Hindi pa to yung train, guys, going to the actual, yung sa mga trains talaga sa labas. This is the airport train, which transfers you from your gate or from kung saan ka lumabas to the immigration. Now, ang na-notice namin during our arrival this time is wala na kaming fill up na form. Usually kasi may i-fill up ka na parang arrival form. As of October 2025, wala ka nang kailangan i-fill up na form. Once you arrive, please don't forget to visit this tourist information booth. Just visit this place, wala namang mawawala. What they give you will be for free. Next, once you arrive the actual, yung sa labas na, once you're finished with immigration and everything, the first thing that you'd want to do is buy an eSIM. Now, if you don't have an eSIM and if you don't have Klook, please use my code, purchase an eSIM when you arrive. Kasi may free Wi-Fi naman sa airport. Hello guys, welcome back. I'm in Hong Kong. We're back in Hong Kong. That's the first thing I'm gonna tell you guys on what you're gonna do is pagdating nyo dito, pag nakalagpas na kayo ng mga immigration and everything, the first thing that you're gonna do is of course look for the train, which is sobrang dali lang guys, makikita nyo. Ayan, yung may picture ng train kahit hindi kayo marunong magbasa ng Chinese. Charot. So may makikita kayong picture ng train. Tapos diyan, within yung entrance, may makikita kayong mga booth. Mga booth, guys, pwede kayong bumili doon ng tickets. Pero sometimes kasi, based on experience, yung first tip ko sa inyo is you can actually use Uber here in Hong Kong. Mas mura siya minsan pag madami kayo. Kung isahan lang, mas mura talaga yung airport MTR. Pero ang tanda ko mga 700 pesos siya when converted. Pero we'll also give you the updated prices. Pero pag madami naman kayo, kunwari 4 or 5, mas maganda mag-Uber kayo. From the airport terminal, you'll be arriving in Central. This is the most common place where you drop off to go to the actual metro, where you can travel using the centralized trains ng Hong Kong. So far, Hong Kong talaga yung the best, guys, when it comes to public train transportation. Kasi lahat ng trains nila connected. Walang separation from, kunwari, hindi katulad dito sa atin na may LRT, MRT. Doon, all trains, isa lang yung ticket na kailangan mo. And you can even purchase the Octopus card or you can buy tickets using some change or money. Very convenient talaga traveling using train here in Hong Kong. Ayan, and now we're here in Chat Chu, TST. Ito yung most of the time kung saan nagpipicture yung mga tao. Ang dami nila sa labas na nagbebenta, pero dito nga kami sa Apple Store kasi iPhone talaga yung pinunta ko dito. And as you can see, may nagbebenta ng mga iPhone sa labas kasi most of the time out of stock yun nasa store. Ang daming gustong bumili ng iPhone 17 Pro Max. Pero yun nga nung nakita namin on hand, para siyang Lego. And ayan, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for our day 2, 3, and 4 of Hong Kong. And also for some tips that you might find. Kasi yun nga, medyo kung ano-ano lang ginagawa namin sa videos. But thank you so much for watching.